My name is Josh Shim, and I'm a fourth-year graduate student in the Department of Chemical and Systems Biology. In the Bojo lab, I work on designing chemical contrast agents that highlight cancer. These agents target upregulated enzyme activity in the tumor cells and can be detected using a camera system that is already being used in the clinic. These optical contrast agents are crucial in detecting the margins between cancerous tumor tissue and healthy normal tissue. When resecting tumors, surgeons do not want to leave any cancer behind, while at the same time want to avoid cutting out healthy tissue. The hope is that these tools we design in the lab will eventually be translated into the clinic and will be used as both a diagnostic tool and a surgical guidance tool in the operating room. The great thing about being a graduate student in CSB is a welcoming environment for graduate students and the opportunity to explore many things outside of my research. I was fortunate enough to help co-organize a career education conference for PhD students called PhD Pathways. As a PhD student, I think it's really important to know what careers exist outside of academia. I wanted to help create a space where my colleagues and I could talk with other PhD holders to help us navigate our graduate careers. In addition to PhD Pathways, I've been able to take up hobbies like ceramics, which I've really been into for the past 2 years. Welcome to the ceramics studio. Ceramics especially has been an integral part of my graduate career because it gives me an outlet to de-stress and be creative in ways that are orthogonal to my science career. Through doing ceramics, I found that there are quite a few overlapping philosophies that I've learned to apply to both ceramics and my graduate career. I've learned that failure is an important part of the learning process, and finding ways that don't work are just as important as finding ways that do work. Ceramics has also taught me to be patient, and that I can't expect results overnight. I just have to keep on honing and optimizing my skills to reach a point where I can really understand the clay, how to throw the clay, as well as how to fire the clay. But I think one of the most important things that I've learned from the studio is that talking to others about their techniques, their approaches to creating a certain shape or form, and getting advice about specific tools and resources is crucial. Similarly, I found that through scientific collaboration and oftentimes just casual dialogue over coffee or lunch with colleagues have led to breakthrough ideas and approaches. I strongly believe that these experiences, both in and outside of the lab, has shaped me to become an interdisciplinary thinker. Being in CSB has given me the confidence that I will excel in anything that I choose to do after I graduate.